Tom has a habit of snoring and is totally unaware about it, but people around him cannot ignore it. Like Tom, snoring affects majority of the population is more in males than females. Let's understand why we snore. When we sleep, the muscles in the mouth and throat relax. A reduced airway makes the airflow forceful, resulting in tissues vibration and snoring. With extreme relaxation of tissues, may even stop breathing. What causes snoring? Snoring can be due to anatomical factors like bulky throat tissues, enlarged tonsils, nasal septum, obesity, sleep position, nasal congestion, and alcohol, etc. It may also be an indication of serious condition like obstructive sleep apnea. But soon, Tom found a solution for his snoring with ASD by illusion. Easy to wear, effective and comfortable oral anti-snoring device. With Anti-Snoring Device, Tom and everybody around him enjoys uninterrupted, restful sleep. For diagnosis and screening, consult your dentist today.